Hi, Pamela and Charles. Hope all is well. Wow, looks like the house is coming along great. Got a great lot here. The beginning, easy to get in and out of the community. House next door looks like it's pretty much close to wrapping up. Lots. Way to get that instant equity for sure. So let's take a look at the progress. I was in the area and said I gotta check and see how it's coming along. Very exciting. This is at the pre-drywall stage, but it looks like got some windows and doors that have been delivered and started to get installed. So that's huge because in the industry right now, just came from another community, one of my clients. They were back ordered for like 2 months, which has delayed it. So this is good that got it in. Of course, your front porch. Door, wow. Nice layout. Obviously the foyer area here. All the electric wiring has already been done. So we should be making really good progress once the drywall goes in. Front area here, beautiful. I love the double windows. Love the layout, the cutout of this room as well. Can't wait to see how you decorate it. Love that angle to it. Breaks up the symmetry of the room. Got your half bath going in here. The water lines in, toilet lines. That's the vent fan to blow out to the exterior of the house. Very nice. Corner fireplace. Look at the size of that window. Absolutely beautiful. Kitchen island, and your kitchenette area over there. It's gonna be gorgeous. For your refrigerator. In this corner, you see the water line down there. Pantry. Beautiful cabinets. The gas line for the cooktop. Oven. Love this little cutout here. Oh, I love the, it's like you guys been over here doing your wonderful things here. I love when clients do that. It really blesses the house. Back patio. Nice. I love that. You have, like, it's always going to be landscaped by the community right there for you. Beautiful. Overextended concrete patio. Bedroom 1. Love that this one has a bathroom in it. Sink, toilet. Got the tub in. Ready for the tile. Nice size closet here. Really love this layout. Like the hideaway staircase back here. Wow, beautiful loft area. A little inlet. Bedroom number 2. Another bedroom that has its own bathroom. Sink, toilet, tub shower combo, closet, washroom. Love the size of it. Got the venting to go out to the exterior there. The water line. Full bath over here, double vanity sinks. I love the cutout of it. Give it the sinks its own space here. Separation for the toilet, tub, shower. Bedroom number 3. Love the size of these rooms. Be a good wall to put your bed. Dresser, flat screen TV over there. Windows, beautiful. Nice size walk-in closet. Hall closet, always important for linens and towels. Bedroom number 4, another really, really nice size. Walk-in closet. Take a look out the window here. Very nice. And then the ever important master bedroom. Love the angle of the entrance here. And with the sitting area, beautiful. Nice tray ceilings going in here as well. Love the sitting area. Nice beams here. Double windows. Oh, this master bath is going to be something. Whew. Double sinks. Got the water lines in now. Shower. Tub. Love the transom window up there. Walk-in closet. Toilet closet. Again, ventilation out. And then nice, real nice size master closet. Super, super excited for you guys. So I'm very impressed how it's coming along. Got the insulation starting to go in as well. That'll be the next thing. They'll get the insulation on the exterior of the walls to get prepared for drywall. But you got all the major functions here, the plumbing, electric wiring, great wrapping of all the, like they use copper here. Quality materials. I'm excited for you guys, the whole family. It's one of my favorite features of this job is just coming along on the journey of building a home. There's nothing like it. I should be super, super proud and excited. Always my advice, keep it clean. You should go into, from when you went for your pre-approval, everything should be in the same place or better. More things paid off if you can. No late payments. Continue saving for your any outside expenses, for getting prepared to furnish the house and moving expenses. If you want to get a private home inspection as well, we have great referrals for you as well, just to kind of make it a smooth process for you. But I'm super excited. What a wonderful layout. The wiring now for the garage door openers. Beautiful. That's one of my favorite layouts after taking a look at that. All right, guys, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.